Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious carne asada walking tacos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by making our jalapeño avocado dip. So to our blender cup, we're going to add our 2 avocados, 1 garlic clove, a handful of cilantro, the juice of half a lime, 1/4 of a cup of jalapeño juice along with fresh jalapeños or pickled jalapeños, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, salt, a pinch of ground cumin, and milk. Now we're just going to be blending until smooth. So now we're just going to taste it for salt and see if it needs to be adjusted. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to transfer it to a bowl. Now we're just going to place it in the refrigerator until it's time for serving. To make my carne asada, I'm going to be using 3 pounds of flank steak. I already have it nicely chopped. So to that, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of New Mexico chili powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chipotle powder, and salt. I just like to mix it all together and just add it to the meat. Make sure that it all gets nice and coated. Okay, so then we're going to squeeze the juice of 1 orange and the juice of 1 lime. Okay, so just make sure everything gets well mixed. And just like that, we have a carne asada. So now we can get ready to cook it. Okay, to my skillet over high heat, I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil. And once it's nice and hot, I'm going to add my meat. And just make sure to add it in a single layer. I'm just going to be cooking my meat for about 4 minutes. After a couple minutes, I'm going to move my meat around. And just allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. And after a couple minutes, we can now get ready to serve. So here I have my bag of Doritos already with some refried beans. Going to be adding some cheese. Add the meat. More cheese. And the rest of the meat, we can remove it from the heat. Okay, so once we're ready to serve, we can grab our avocado dip. Put it on top. I'm also going to be adding some pico de gallo. And some sour cream. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alright you guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's fast, under 30 minutes. You have this delicious meal. And the best part is that you can always, use your favorite chips and have just the whole party of walking tacos. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Nachos in the back, the best. The salsa, the avocado dip, the meat, everything is just the best. Simple, so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious carne asada walking tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.